Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is: a horse is tied to a peg at one corner of a square shaped grass field of side 15 meter by means of 7 meter long rope. What is the area of the part of the field in which the horse can graze? Now, from the given information, we can draw one figure. Here, we have given that a horse is tied to a peg at one corner of the square. Let A, B, C, D be the square, and this is one corner of the square with the length of the rope 7 meter, and as in a square all angles are 90 degree, so suppose that rope be QP, so that angle be 90 degree, QDP will 90 degree. Let A, B, C, D be a square field. Here, length of rope is given by 7 meter. Hence, R will be 7 meter. Now, we need to find the area which horse can graze. Means, we have to find the area of sector QDP. To find the area of the field in which horse can graze, we need to find area of sector QDP. So area of sector QDP can be defined by theta divided by 360 into pi r square. So substituting the values here we can observe theta is 90 degree. So 90 divided by 360 into, here it is, as it is the angle of the square, so it will be 90 degree. 90 divided by 360 into, suppose pi is 22 by 7, into r square means 7 square. So after solving this, it will be 1 by 4 into 22 by 7 into 7 square means, here 1 7, after 1 this 7 cancel, so there will be 22 into 7, 22 into 7. Now we can divide by 2 to 22 and 4, so there will be 11 into 7 by 2, that is 77 by 2, and it is in square meters. Hence, our correct option is option B. Area of sector QDP is 77 by 2 square meters.